Lo tieno miro ginaba. Ento condizione noa. Lo tieno miro ginaba. Yaman. Condizione noa. Sha. Ulululu. Amero tam keyboard weng bulu.
Yes, for Katmwara and Happy New Year to you all. Niano Martini la Kwe TV and la did the band Dr. Adugu Botu that were what you tini. One watiga nano Jimmy Mogo mapigi tek to libe America Laurier man waneno word beritie waneno dano lawyer word she Wamir kong walok wanyam wanen kong gugino temani ning dano magunoni piana tika nena word mukena tika kany sipa niang ini koke loy la wu koke loy ochon mira niang kong jemine warni ning pian ancha an la dede ben be pa me de beriter kono chidong no mira ana kwet bot joma go beriter kono warni ning o temani ning ngolo ka kare kere kamo jemine po tema be chikoni be wabiniang so mera ana tikiri tien kaka ini la Kwe TV kuno ana meta Julio Kongo
ana foy maten
afoy yes man part culture ento ini bitero nyi mabe pian ngelo ke part culture ni ko la dir di ben an ben mega da tero yes so in part culture ni gwa ko nyoko ni kake wai part culture ni ko part culture na nga
an kilo ni part culture
yeah
ramulo la penyo loyo
okay
ramulo ni okulu Rafael Oriem ene nyingma chuli yeah so ani ayom do twal happy new year ko ngafo karma ka kidano weng yeah
for the twal to madit man PM me award mapol kare numa enegi yobu uworni ning ki yung bari
one la wo jemino dok long la ceremony but po yo kiro timegere
kilongening
obero ga yele makani weng kelo gila penyo loyo ayela yubu wa video neo atamno no ke fara ke mo barbero pa ke fara it's okay timegere ada ere na abero ke mo da wa bit kana kong angi pin
ya pian ada ana yenya wakama eno berie din kona ne mo kenyu chawe kokoko warin ka yenya pamane kong jemno warnin kani anki bore chi eno mi watiga ka edini
yes sila wo wano bero gi weba waneno ngomo time dano PM duwe mogo ke chelo ke shupa duwe mogo go wero barba yele guma be ror bero tie fo to twal madit charbor ror we will for a kiwi stage but kumbe da foe kidong do dira chuli mago bero tie Kenya weng apo be ki wacha ni gi bero tie which is very nice but ngod la wo bero ki long kamoni
ketia tama duong ka Kenya
madong poyo mo ya loyo la we magluone Cameroon pono award pengo Cameroon kumbeti has grooving songs very nice songs but pange penga beke mi award dot Cameroon kadiwa an La Pino Loyo has played in all radio stations. From January, why Shawani, I brought out a very nice video for it. Atamina kero effort more. Uluto actually bu work at a carachel badong. This time go jema, which is okay. For my dear but about my brother Smokey. Muno award only. Enbe is a judge. At the end of the day is a judge ento ngol dire maika ke ngol mati Smoky mi ano donkano ke paro ko mi ke chwalno legendary ke wek mon e ono iwa no pui timo gimoe kan joke ogama words adi which is not bad they fought for it pange uno award
tala Kwe TV an lo kawa diba lo kada no mera ka pen dana ye kong bena ki nominating la Kwe TV
oh I think mera strategy mako timo kumbeti ni ubero be full kidong foj mabe getting me na board down is very okay but mera good luck strategy hit me voting kidong gunen ada we enini utiu ngat investing here ikum investment motimoni. Is it a funny song or a serious song? La Pinyo Loyo, to me, I feel it's not a funny song. A year later, he invested somehow a little bit, yeah.
So, according to Gyanayinti Wajene, no mere considering lyrical maturity.
Thank you very much. Kano dong no dano nyang we mabea dida. Win La Pinyo Loyo o mot kidiro. Pirune.
Que miwa a capella pa La Pinyo Loyo. Piani chijo kene kubiri wabi logo pinying me La Pinyo Loyo. No, like no one actually understands what you're talking about.
La Pinyo Loyo fuk dwi cerca yenya gaja ite pulora. Neno wang min lutino hiru koko lutino wang miana. Lutino mero ginaba. Ento condizione noa. Lutino mero ginaba. Yaman, condizione noa. Sha, ulululu. Amero tam keyboard mun weng bulu. Ko tita kache bal nyo jolo. Makke kwa ke vuk ma dit me jolo. Kache chano bero bal. Uber ki chira. Uber ki fola. Mirabila. Itemo jemi weng pepino. Itemo yenyo ki kobo ni weng peliel. It's okay.
When aneba, honestly, anyway, my guru chunya to chala did the band. When anyway, ma ka ini winyu. Cha mukene kache ne an peroti rom kumitu twal. Cha mukene poki pigwa inotiga oil. Yes. Yeah.
They let money. It inspires somebody. Yeah, me courage money. Kwa ano weka chuti and madwong ki odd. I cried 3 times. Ma win La Pinyo Loyo kana more dear and I had no one to run to. I just saw myself. I cried several times with that song. Fake me a word. It's okay. Makamo kene ti bino be mini wakar me yapo wangwani mere watiyu matek. But teach matek. Kakum lime pege. Pelare pama. Dano chero wilo a word so dano chero timo ngagi, dano timo ngogi. But any gym ma pe nyen to jem mo chake chon. One enemy and my way balance. They don't give me shows in town here. I don't know why.
Yes. Funny. And by the way, get balance. Kodere go ana kapela pa balance. Balance bene way ma met to twile.
Mo dong etie balance. Kodi Johnny dong tie go chamosona mo dong etie balance. Jonathan je ba kwiji wo Judas Owachi. Last night I had to step in the club. I got some chick show me love. She got me also. Started digging in my pocket for her to give me some package. Gini leng wa turo gare. Angedeng miu. Ayabu nyote chalo video. Amako chien straight to the bar. Kachilo kwenye counter. Arege duanta. Benyo chena chuda. Limdo cherawo. Awilu rabada. Awilu jemi wenga mine vaisona. Wilo we bia. Amarula. Uchomo. Happy New Year.
Look, is it Anamaro at Mewe?
Thank you.
Yes, Omio. Chamukene, I feel more of the capella than Kibetseni. Tutualaka, I want to get what is in the song.
Exactly.
I know a capella enika initiga girane enemy. Yana kirano donya kere koma. Yeah, like the message is just very good. Like
yeah.
Any phone ba? Normal round tamini iwe ra.
Yeah.
Eto fonti yeah.
Yo mi ke walk yo kai chere ba. Walk dog je we dog bed mal.
Yes. Mega bana take again. Mega get jeep dia.
Ayo ya. Ilok tiga kenyo kai chere kono a. Put money make money dong. Menote on tiga. Yeah.
Yes. So ngol po ngole mabe ki kitma ini neno kere.
Kitma neno kere. I can't believe ne fudonga noyo Cameroon puno award. Olomio na kimi kada chiel moya lutua. Kani puno ada chi pebe.
pero ni obedo ki kwe piani voting system obedo tie ki ber ka temone digitally online enuni how does it count which one actually carries more weight piana ngere ko no kuja bene judges tie ko
nan ba sino timenda ke yo gini o pian. To be honest, Smokey has no song for this year. Mane no loyo kere this award. Nyangwe. Peki kero nyingwe wa makibe PM kere. Kichoy nying because me I'm not well known. Paul Dando akibe penya Gipenya Smokey la penyo lo is la penyo lo song or something. Yeah, they don't know that it's mine. So an nya putitidi pa Smokey dong did. Aya, I voting paper ni kero nying Smokey number chiel malo. Kiriye mo kene kero mega ke pin. You understand? Definitely kaki chero ka voting. They down your voting ki ma chiele. You understand? Secondly, advantage Matthias Smokey did. Mario pecking away any la penyo lo ni mega. Paul da penyo Pascal but you win la penyo lo radio. I don't even blame them to a certain point. But kita ke team kere move was not very okay. To be honest, me I'm a very positive brother. I always stick and live in positivity. You understand? Ginapada wajoko. Ginada awajo. Bad loga da nyim la chwe polo kilobone. La pinyo loyo merno chama what this year. That's why I'm not happy, brother.
Yeah.
To be honest.